Well, tonight we are learning some of our youngest learners in the Rochester Public Schools must wear face masks this fall. The school board approving the masking rules during tonight's meeting. And again, it was another large turnout.
That's right, Laura. It was. ABC 6 News reporter Miguel Octavio was there at the meeting. Miguel, how did it go tonight?
Well, Laura and Ross, there were a lot more people, but there did seem to be more order tonight after gathering input from different health agencies and looking at our local vaccination rates and cases. The school board voted in favor of requiring masks for students between 2 and 12 years old this fall. The coronavirus vaccines might be here, but they're not approved yet for anyone under 12.
Unfortunately, that's just not the case yet for our youngest learners.
It's one reason why Superintendent Kent Pekel says students between 2 and 12 should wear masks this fall in school. Under the approved new guidelines, students 12 and older are encouraged but not required to wear a mask. Staff and adults don't have to wear one either, vaccinated or not. Superintendent Pekel also says locally, many students have health conditions making them susceptible to COVID-19's impact. While the masking rules are now official, the board still has a lot of work ahead before classes begin.
Masks get all the attention, but in fact, masks are just one of the things that we need to do to keep our kids safe.
Safety factors like social distancing or gatherings in school.
We are continually watching the data, watching the evidence, and we will make changes in our strategy as that evidence suggests we should to keep kids safe.
Once again, people crowded the board meeting room. It extended to the hallways after the last one turned contentious. A group of people taking shots at the board over critical race theory, although that was not on the agenda. At this meeting, law enforcement was there and current rules like no signs allowed were enforced. While turnout was big, it was a different group in the majority. They were condemning the actions by some at the last meeting.
I'm here today because I know that those voices are not representative of our entire student body.
Now, that group comprised of faith leaders, students, and teachers who spoke before the meeting began. Superintendent Pekel says while people were expressing strong opinions again tonight, he says what mattered this time was that people could express their disagreements and not shouting each other down. Laura and Ross.